To use S Pen to instantly translate text on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, open any screen with text you want to translate. As the example, we will open a document. Remove the S Pen from your phone. Tap the recommend icon to open the recommend menu, and then tap translate. A translate tool will appear on the screen. It includes the language drop-downs to change the source and target languages, and a mode icon that lets you switch between translating a single word or a sentence. As the example, we will set it to sentence. Next, hover the S Pen over the sentence you want to translate. A pop-up will appear showing the translated text along with speaker icon to hear it.
Dans le silence, ton absence résonne, comme une étoile que l'on ne peut toucher, chaque souffle me manque, ton rire qui tonne, dans ce vide, je suis condamné à chercher.
And a copy icon to copy it to the clipboard. With this feature, whether you are reading an article in a foreign language or reviewing document with unfamiliar terms, you can instantly understand text without switching apps, making it a convenient tool for students, travelers, and anyone working across multiple languages. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.